Calibration on point 4 is complete.
Confirmed. Proceeding with robotic arm engagement.
We have a fluctuation on the thermal regulator at Station 3.
Acknowledged. Running system diagnostics now.
A fine mist of sterilized aerospace-grade anti-cleocloud.
A low-viscosity epoxy primer is uniformly sprayed onto the aluminum alloy surfaces. This primer layer dramatically
The robotic scanner performs its final sweep, confirming zero residual materials. A specialized sound and vibration damping viscoelastic material is precisely applied by a robotic arm.
The Viper's full-way fuselage undergoes simultaneous application of structural oxy, infrared sensors, meticulously.
The panel is lowered gradually, ensuring air is systematically squeezed out from the center outwards.
The specialized robotic roller applies uniform pressure, seating the composite sheet into the structural epoxy.
This meticulous preparation is crucial for the vacuum bagging process, ensuring a perfect
plates. The translucent vacuum film is carefully draped over the structure, then meticulously smoothed to conform to the aerodynamic.
Thermocouple array looks good.
Confirming connection at Station 4.
A specialized robotic sprayer applies a coat of light gray aerospace primer onto the F-16 fuselage.
This coating protects the composite skin and paint layers from UV degradation, abrasion, and harsh operational fluids.
All checks cleared for Process B.
Confirmed. Signing off now.
Keep it coming, steady now. Watch your clearance on the right. Okay, hold it there. Start the tie down.
All units, the package is secured. Proceed to Hangar 7.
Copy that. Moving now. Security element established. Bring it down 5 millimeters on the starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting now. Looks good for initial seating. Harness routing verified. All connection is green.
Confirmed on the tablet. Pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
clearing the hold short line. Copy, hold position. Pilot is boarding.
The forward fuselage section is designed to withstand extreme aerodynamic pressure, demonstrating the strength of the epoxy resin bond.
Despite the immense structural loads induced by this high G turn, the fuselage maintains its rigidity, showcasing the superior composite skin.